Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone is in another call in Facebook Messenger app. In the Facebook Messenger app, you cannot directly see if someone is currently on another call. However, there are some few indicators that might suggest they are busy. First, active status. If the person is active on Messenger indicated by a green dot next to their profile picture, it could mean they are using the app, but it does not specifically indicate they are in a call. You could also try ringing. On the top right corner, there's a call icon we could see. If you try to call them and the call rings for an extended period or goes straight to voicemail, it could suggest they are on another call or are busy. Or you could also check their last active status, or get an idea where they were last active on Messenger. If they were active recently, they might be less likely to be on another call. And just remember, they are just indicators and may not always accurately reflect someone's current activity or availability. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.